Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're turning a nostalgic favorite into delicious organic cookies you'll feel good about enjoying. We're making the iconic Do-si-do Girl Scout cookies. Start by adding 226 grams of softened butter to a stand mixer. Next, add in 113 grams of light brown sugar and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Mix on low until combined. Add in 43 grams of sourdough discard. You can use this straight from the fridge. Next, add in 57 grams of peanut butter. And then last, add in 255 grams of all-purpose flour and 50 grams of rolled oats. Mix on low until combined into a cookie dough. Get a large piece of plastic wrap ready and transfer the dough to the plastic wrap. Roll it into a log that's about 15 inches long and wrap it tightly in plastic wrap. I find it's easier to make the log even after you wrap it up in plastic wrap and twist the sides very well. You want to ensure to twist the sides so it's well sealed so the cookie dough doesn't dry out as it sits in the fridge. Once the dough log is wrapped up tightly, transfer it to the fridge for at least 4 hours or overnight. Unwrap the cookie dough log and slice it into 1/4 inch thick slices. You'll get about 44 cookies. Transfer the cookie dough slices to 2 parchment paper lined baking sheets. Using a fork, poke a few holes on the top of each cookie. I do about 3 pokes per cookie. Then bake the cookies at 350 degrees for 20 to 24 minutes or until golden brown and crispy. Let them cool completely on the baking sheets before filling them. To make the filling, add 113 grams of softened butter and 226 grams of sifted powdered sugar to a stand mixer. Next, add in 57 grams of peanut butter and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix on low until combined and then add in 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk as needed. Be sure to scrape down the sides of the bowl partway through mixing and then continue to mix on high for a few minutes or until it's light and fluffy. Transfer the frosting into a piping bag. Then turn over every other cookie and pair up the cookies of equal size. Pipe a dollop of frosting on top of each turned over cookie and sandwich the cookies together. Then they're ready to enjoy. I hope you like this organic take on the classic Girl Scout cookies as much as we do. These homemade do-si-dos have only 9 organic ingredients and are free of seed oil, soy, and artificial flavoring that you will find in the traditional do-si-dos. If you want more organic twists on nostalgic favorites like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.